Welcome to Australia. Oh no, welcome to Simon Tools. We've got all the engine on and all the fitting and everything were on perfect. Got the brand new radiators and before we planned to put the fan here, but there's too much weight in the way and I don't want to come near to the exhaust dump pipe here. So I changed my mind. I moved the fan onto this side. It doesn't matter, it's all work the same way. So the other way is sucking and this one pushing and blowing, okay? And what we do today is we try to connect everything in, run the pipe into the engine, connect all the wires and everything, make sure it's on places, and have to do some fitting replace. So this one, do you remember the fitting on this side on the oil? So it built on the way of the dry shaft. So I moved that one over there, put it in the back of the pump and turn this one a little bit so we avoid the way touching the body and touching the fan and the dry shaft. Should be all good, but before we do anything else, we got to go and buy some fitting, the T. This one too big, I will order the wrong one, so I go to get the plumbing T fit and fit in and go to the water pipe first and connect all the wirings and we will go from there. First thing first we have to do is fix the wheel cut for my mom, go shopping. This one broken. It's like this been years and imagine how many kilo of meats and food been carried home for me to fit me. So today I'm gonna buy another heavy duty Mac wheel, convert in here for her, and hopefully this wheel super solid will last her forever, and then we continue with our car. Lightweight and super heavy duty. Look at these lightweight wheels. Wheel down, another one to go with grease and bearings. I believe my mother shopping cart now will be the fastest and can carry strongest in the whole New South Wales, because this wheel will be super strong and last for a very long time. Okay, continue my job. I went to Bunnings and grabbed two of the T1 and some clamps over there because not many people open today. I bought the T because it's too big for the heater pipe and I didn't know the size of the pipe, so it doesn't matter, it still can make something work today. So we're gonna get some of this and put on the T. As long as it got a little knuckle, it's going there and it's perfect. It never works out. I tried to send this one back and make it smaller to slide in, but it's very hard to go in because that pipe is too small. I do the wrong measurement for the order the parts, but you know, who cares? And I grabbed the heater hose. So this is 1.5 millimeters. So go over here and heater hose from all the bonds. So you got heater hose and go here and here and here, and we're done with this. After done that, and we will run the intercoolant pipe in. Whatever you do, as long as you make yourself feel comfortable, and do it. Don't worry about Simon, okay? Simon can do nothing. I cannot help you, and I cannot do anything for you. Do whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. Do it, brother. Go for country, man. Go for your country. Okay, we go like that, and the hose will go down that way, and we join this one in that way. So we have a very sexy copper heater hose split. I tried to, before I said earlier, I tried to get this hose go past here for cool down on the radiator here, but this one, look at that, too small. I don't want to waste my time on that crap. Okay, let's forget about it. So just see how it's looking, and it go down. It should be go a little bit angled so they don't bend the hose. And I believe no one complained about my plumbing skill, because my plumbing skills is the only one in Australia doing the turbo with the plumbing version. So could be very surprised to every other mechanics. So could be fun. So they said I'm a dodgy person. Yes, I'm happy for that. The neck for the water input a little bit short, so I cut it out and make a depth about 3 centimeters higher, and do a bit of bracing and put it back on. This one I'm happy, but this one I'm too close and I worry for long term it will pop out, so I better bring it up to 3 centimeters and have plenty of gap so it cannot get off and leak water. With the long enough for this one, grab around like this. See, go down and grab the bracket over. Happy now to put them back on. I'm very happy, okay, very happy. Look very ugly, sexy down there, but I'm happy with it. Should be all good. Okay, intercooler pipe. I need 90-degree ups and go in here, 90-degree ups and go in there. Going 90 degrees, and you see the knuckle very important to hold the grips for the pipe when you put the silicone clamp over. And when we cut it off, this end we have no knuckle. So what I do is replace with that knuckle. We're gonna drill the self screw in 3 corners and blow it out, and then put them on and clamp them on, and it should work exactly like the knuckle for you, and it never come up. So that's what I would do if I would you. Okay, now we're gonna do like this, in and go in like that, and we are happy. Leave it along, in, go in like that. But first thing first, I need to get the 2.5 inch or 3 inch, this one. So that one a little bit big, with the blue connection here from my box. See, this one for the joint here is alright, but not go in here. You see, I need next size up to go in here. But that's all I can do, because we run out pipe, we run out 90-degree angles like this one here. So we need another 90-degree angle, go out the way and go to 90 or 45-degree angle up. So we finished that one and waiting for the next 2.5 inch go in here, and we'll be happy. And now we're gonna run this one, the oil hose. We just leave here for bright temporary and leave it here. We're gonna get the cable run to elbow 90 degrees and go all the way, sneak it down underneath here, and it's attached in here, and then we get the bracket that holding that 2 hoses along here somewhere, and it will be don't do it too tight, because we need some flexible when the engine shaking, so we need some flexible on the hoses here. But that's how it should go, and it go in there for that 2 elbows, go in there, and we'll be done. Okay, so waiting for the parts tomorrow. They all will be open. Now it's a little bit late, so just put all the water hose on. All the water hose on, wouldn't hurt. See, with the blue air intake like that, no one say nothing. And this pipe, I just go and get the connection from 3 inch, 2.5 to 2/4, and it will sit inside perfectly. Okay, now the bottom hose to go, and we are very happy. Bottom hose, we do the joint from the see the 2/4, and then this one 2 inch go in here, and we are happy. You do the same car like me. This is how I run. Okay, run the 2/4 pipe all the way, and buy a joint 2.5 inch here, 2/4 in down there, go in there, go in there, go through there, and go along here with the elbow, 2 elbow 90 degrees, and up there, and the fitting is perfectly go in like that. Look very sexy. I cannot believe it. I've never done anything that look as good as this one. Seriously, this is look like very good Nick toys for my brother. That's it. This one in here, and we are loving. We are loving like loving cows. And 2 more things we have to do: put the dry shaft in, and run the oil coolant for the pump coming out right there, and we'll be right. Okay, they are perfectly. Make sure do not let any loose or pop up. Will be no good for you with the way that I install. And this is how the turbo should work. The cold air coming out, the hot air coming out, and all the way there, cool down and bring the cold air bring back into the engine. So hopefully it works that way. Hopefully, finger crossed. Run the best oil cooler over there. We did make sure don't let it rub onto the fan and the belt, and not rub on the body. And holding like this should be good. So this part is done. So we go underneath, put the joint shaft and connect the start. When we start it up, we don't let it go straight away. We just crank for make it go, crank for a few very fast for like half a minute. Take up the main spark here, and the ignition coil will never go in, so the engine would never start. So we want the oil and everything circulate, pump through here before we can make it go, before we can let it go. Okay, so pipe in, beautiful, nice and tidy. and happy with the way it look. Beautiful. Oh, there. The electric fan very easy. This is the 12 volts. You can swap the battery terminal, make it go forward and backwards. And for this one, for sucking, we use positive here in the blue, and negative on the black is really correct. But we put it outside like this. We want to push it that way, so we negate the blue one into the earth and negative into positive, and it should work fine. Just push it in, baby, and let it go. Everything go good. We look at this and all on, and battery on, new batteries, and new terminal and everything. So I make sure I put the positive and negative for my brother, because my brother is an idiot. He stupid. He don't know which side is which, so I better put them like that. Other way, he's stupid man. He don't know which side to go. Anyway, positive go positive, negative go negative, black. Okay, and put the flange on. Try to making a dump pipe down, and running the exhaust will be last. Very hard. Run brand new earth cable, super strong, elephant ones, not an elephant cable, not chicken cable, an elephant, massive. To face the dish tomorrow, and this one we just put the terminal berries, just for brownies, and tomorrow we're gonna spend all day do the exhaust. We just put fuel on, and we test it. We've been around for 2 minutes. Now we just test it, see if it's working good, and before we go on with the exhaust tomorrow. We see beautiful, like the bloody EK motor, like this, the exhaust. Let's see how it goes, huh? Let's see how good it is. Very noisy, I guess. That's what I think. Very noisy. Better shut it up. Ooh, barbecue. That will be here tomorrow. And go down like this. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. I can't believe it. One kickstart straight away. What else we expect, bro? I don't expect nothing, okay? Very happy. Very happy. Check for any leak on the oil, on the water. Okay, guys. This is very happy news. Complete. That means start. That means very happy and good news. And the exhaust will come out very, very beautifully. I believe if I put the exhaust on, it should be alright with that fuel injected. It's amazing. To be honest, very happy. One more try, huh? One more try. I can't stop myself doing this all the time. All the time. Turn on the key. Meow. Beautiful. As we see, we got the 2 liters, 4 liter fuel injected of the Falcon EB work exactly the same, but I can see a little bit smoke, not much, but I'm happy with the way it is. If you see black smoke coming out flat, it's no good, but this one perfect. Even without the exhaust, it's still perfect. That means good. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools.